Alright, thanks for watching the video, and here's the test. So recently I posted two videos concerning how you can just make money online, and these two platforms or two websites that you can just make money online were Referrals and also Elite Cash. And looking at these two platforms, they are all affiliate marketing. And recently I posted a video explaining ways that you can just make money online. I made mention of affiliate marketing and made it known to you guys that affiliate marketing is one of the best ways, and it is safer, and with that one there is no risk. Okay, and looking at these two platforms, okay, there was an issue on these two platforms, and now they are back. Okay, so if you want to know more about how you can just make money online, you can just check in the comment section. I made a full video, you can just check it out. And also these two platforms, the links will be in the comment section, and if you want to register, you can just register it right there. But if you're new, please subscribe and then also like the video for me. More videos will become right here on this channel. As I said in my previous video, I've got to know one of the best way that I can just make money online by this affiliate marketing, whereby you just help them reach more people, sell goods, sell services, and then you will just earn money from there. Okay, so sure, let me just take you through the two platforms that I have update about. Okay, so with the Referrals and also the Elite Cash, at some point, let's say 1 to 2 weeks now, the withdrawals, the registration, everything was not going through. We all thought it has cast. Okay, and I was like, how can an affiliate marketing collapse just like that without giving any information to their customers? Okay, so as I asked, they were saying it was a problem from their Flutterwave, whereby it is that one that you make payment to them, and then they will also give that amount to the Elite Cash owners. I mean those in charge of it. Okay, so the money will first go to Flutterwave and then come to them. For withdrawals to same process. Okay, that's why they encountered that issue. So now they are back, and now withdrawals are going through, registration too are going through. Okay, so if you want to register, you can just do it right now. But know that these websites, since it is not for you, okay, any amount that you make right there, always withdraw. I always tell you guys. Okay, assuming as they went off, you were having like 500 or 1,000 Ghana cedis or any amount in it, and they did not come back, that money would have not been returned to you. Okay, but now since they are back, any amount that you have, please make sure you always keep withdrawing. Anytime your money hit the minimum withdrawal, make sure you withdraw. Okay, so the updates right now is that Elite Cash and Referrals are working perfectly. Withdrawals are going through, registration are going through, and you can just register your account for now. And one question that I would like to answer is that people say that the task that is available on Referrals and then also Elite Cash, you don't get it every day. Listen, affiliate marketing is not about performing tasks on this website. Okay, they are just platforms that all that you can just do to earn money from it is just through referrals. Okay, and looking at these platforms, you earn like 20 to, I think, 25 to almost 30 cedis per each referral. So if you are to refer more, you earn more. That's how the affiliate marketing works. And the few amount you'll be earning from this little from this platform. Okay, and then also you'll be earning little amount from this platform. It is not something big. This is not an investment platform. Listen, it is not an investment platform, but an affiliate marketing, whereby you help them reach more people, and then they pay you through your referral. So the more you refer, the more you earn. For the task, it may not be available. That's how it will be. You cannot do anything about it. Okay, so for the task, and then also with the trivia questions, okay, they have questions whereby you have to answer. Okay, so check in the comment section. I will just leave a link. Okay, so just check in the description, and then everything will be there, the video links, and then also registration links to this website. And if you want any explanation as well, you can just check in the comment section, and then you can just hit me out for any further explanation. So as you join the Telegram group, everything will be there. If you need my personal contact, you will get it right there in the Telegram channel. Okay, so just stay tuned to me, and then I will see you in the next video. Stay alive, and bye for now.